Travel English Practice.
실례합니다. 제자리를 찾는 것을 도와주시겠어요?
Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
다른 사람이 이미 여기 앉아 있는 것 같아요.
I think someone else is already sitting here.
I think someone else is already sitting here.
짐을 머리 윗칸에 보관해 주시겠어요?
Could you please stow your luggage in the overhead compartment?
Could you please stow your luggage in the overhead compartment?
마실 것 좀 드릴까요?
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
커피 좀 주세요.
I'd like some coffee, please.
I'd like some coffee, please.
소고기와 닭고기 중 어떤 걸로 드릴까요?
Would you like beef or chicken?
Would you like beef or chicken?
베개와 담요를 얻을 수 있을까요?
Can I get a pillow and blanket, please?
Can I get a pillow and blanket, please?